maths mental subtraction. There are different strategies for mental subtraction. I will go over a few and then there's a worksheet to complete. Subtraction, splitting numbers. So here we've got 34 take away 9. We can split 9 into 4 and 5. So 34 take away 4 is 30, 30 take away 5, 25. Continuing with splitting numbers, here we've got 28 to take away this time. So we're going to deal with the 8, we're going to deal with the 1s first, split it with 5 and 3. 65 take away 5 is 60, 68 take away 3 is 57, and then we're going to take away the two 10s, so 57 take away 20, 37. Here we're looking at subtraction using jumps. Remember, with subtraction, the largest number is always at the start. So we're going to put the largest number, 4,674, here, and we're going to count backwards to get to our answer. So we're going to jump back 300, 4,374, jump back 60, 4,314, jump back 5, 4,309 is your answer. Here we're looking at subtraction with missing numbers, so with the numbers either at the start or in the middle. So here we've got our two numbers. We're going to put the larger number here, 4,421, and our answer, 2,863 here. And we need to work out the jumps in the middle to get our missing number. So we're going to jump back 1,000, that's going to give us 3,421. Then if we jump back 421 to get us to 3,000, if we take away 100, that'll get us to 2,900, and then the difference between these two numbers is 37. If we add up all of our jumps, we get 1,558, which is our missing number. Now you're going to use these strategies to complete one of these tasks. You can either do A, B, or C. Give it a go.